This is 4 crowns, finishes at 12 inches, and it's made up of a background and 3 different fabrics, a medium, and 2 mediums, and a light. The rotary cutting methods we're going to use here are half square triangles 2 at a time and quarter square triangles. And then if you have your phone, you can scan this code and it'll bring you to this YouTube video for the half square triangles, or this one for the quarter square triangles. Or if you're on a desktop or a tablet, you can click on these highlighted links and it'll take you to the video as well. So here is the block, and it's all lettered for each patch. Then we have the rotary cutting instructions start here and they end up here. Then we have AccuQuilt dies you can use. Most all of these are from the 8-inch cube, but there is one for the 5-inch finished square that is not in the 8-inch cube. Then there's some assembly instructions here to assemble the block. And here are the pieces we've cut. This is for our center square. These 4 squares are for the very corners. And then we have rectangles and squares. We're going to use stitch and flip, or I'm going to use my folded corner clipper to make a chisel unit. And these are already marked. This set is for the half square triangles, and this set is for the quarter square triangles. So now I'm going to start by piecing the half square triangles and the chisel units. So now we have our half square triangles and our chisel units, and we're going to put these together like this. It's making like almost a star point in the corner. So we'll sew these together, then we have all 4 of our corner units done. And after you sew these together, then make your quarter square triangles. Now we have our 4 corner units finished and our 4 quarter square triangles finished. And then we have our center square. It's just time now to put the block together. And from here you just have a simple 9-patch block. You put that together.